Babylonian Empire. For a time after the fall of the Akkadians, Sumer was once again a group of city-states. The next ruler to unite all of Mesopotamia was a king named Hammurabi. Hammurabi was the king of Babylon, a small city-state in central Mesopotamia. After conquering the rest of Mesopotamia, Hammurabi made Babylon the capital of his empire. The region under his rule became known as the Babylonian Empire, or Babylonia. Hammurabi is best known for his code of laws, which he wrote from in 1750 BCE. Hammurabi used the code of laws to unify his empire and preserve order. Hammurabi claimed that the gods told him to create laws that applied to everyone in the empire. Laws that were based on the gods could never be changed. The laws are written on a stele and placed in a temple for all to see. Hammurabi's code was detailed. It covered many situations, such as trade, payment for work, marriage, and divorce. Babylonia thrived under Hammurabi. He worked to unite the people of his empire by building roads and creating a postal service. Agriculture and trade flourished. Hammurabi was careful to maintain irrigation systems properly so that land remained fertile and provide plenty of food. Because the city of Babylon was on the banks of the Euphrates River, it became an important center of trade. Babylonians traded with people all along the Persian Gulf. They traded grain and woven cloth for wood, gold, silver, precious gems, and livestock, which is animals. Trade helped the empire's economy. Many types of artisans used materials brought back from distant lands. The arts also flourished. Writers wrote poems, some of which survive to this day. Most important, Babylonian society was unusually fair for its time. The laws treated the various classes differently, but even slaves had some rights. Slaves could work elsewhere and keep their wages. They could own property. If they saved enough money, they could even buy their freedom. Women also had more rights than they did in most ancient societies. Even though their fathers chose their husbands, women could own property. They also could keep money of their own.